ತಾರಕ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ರೂಪ ಗಣೇಶ ಗುರು ಗುಹ ಭಕ್ತ ಭೈರವ ಸೋಮಮಯಂ ಶೀತ್ಯಾಗ. Ganesha Guru Guha. So this tells you the different deities that come out in procession before the main Swami actually comes out. And in Tiruvarur, since the festival is 40 days, there is a lot of fanfare even for the other deities. So Ganesha, Muruga, all of them, they have their own procession.